Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility. Once you're there, choose Display and Text Size and then Color Filters. Enable the Color Filters toggle now. This immediately reveals the filter presets and sliders you'll use. You're doing this so the system applies a color profile at the OS level. Apps respect it, making text and visuals easier to read. Make sure you have iPad OS up to date. Otherwise, the controls may look different or be missing. You now pick a preset that matches your need. Grayscale for high contrast or a color pair if you have color blindness. Once selected, adjust the intensity and the hue or tint sliders to tune contrast and warmth. Move sliders slowly. Small changes can greatly improve legibility without making the screen look unnatural. While adjusting, switch to Mail, Safari, or Photos to preview how text and images respond. If color tint is too strong, reduce intensity. Once satisfied, test the filter in several apps to confirm consistent appearance. You can assign color filters to the accessibility shortcut for quick on and off via a triple click of the top or home button. If you need to revert, toggle color filters off or reset display and text size settings. If filters fail to apply, restart your iPad and install any iPad OS updates. Also check for conflicting settings like display zoom or guided access. If problems persist, contact Apple support for device-specific diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.